Hi dear students, welcome to our online classes. Today we are going to learn about singular and plural noun. You already know what are nouns. Now I repeated, names of people, places, animals, things are known as nouns. Now we know about singular noun and plural noun. So dear students, let's come to the topic. First we know what are singular noun. See, when a noun is one in number, it is called singular noun. Look at this picture. This is a kite, this is a branch, this is one drop of water, this is one bus, this is a glass. Singular means one. So dear students, in previous class we know singular means one. That means when a noun in one number, it is called singular noun. Like example, one chalk, one book, one copy, etc. And then plural noun. When a noun is more than one, is called plural nouns. Like this, how many kites? There are 5 kites. If we say there are 5 kites, this is wrong. We always say there are 5 kites. How many branches? There are 3 branches. That means singular means many. One se zyada. How many water drops? There are 2 water drops. How many buses? There are 4 buses. That means plural means more than one, means many. Next, rules of plural forms. Like this, first rule is most of the nouns are changed into their plural forms by adding s, like bag, bags, book, books, pen, pens, horse, horses, chalks, chalks, pen, pens. But some words have special rules to change singular form to plural form. Like when a word ends with hissing sound like s, ss, sh, ch, x, then we put es to change them in plural forms. Like glass, glss, last 2 letter is ss, so we put last in plural form glasses, glass. Torch, torch, last 2 letter is ch, so we put in plural form torches, torches. Box, box, last letter is x, so we put boxes, boxex. Fish, fish, and then last letter is sh, so we put fishes, fishes. But like ox, last letter is x, but in plural form we put oxen. This is the special rule. And next rule is some nouns ending with o, like potato, tomato, mango. Then in plural form these words we put es, like mangoes, mango, mangoes. Potato, 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 so we put potatoes. Like tomato, tomato, so we put es, like tomatoes. And number 4 rule, some nouns ending in f or ef, like leaf, of, life, etc. Then we put ves, instead of f or ef, like leaf, lef. In plural form we put leaves, leaves. Instead of f we put ves. Of, wlf, then we put also wlves instead of f. Life, life, instead of fe we put ves, lives, lives. And number 5 rule, some nouns are different, they do not get s or es to form their plurals. That means they do not need s or es in their plural, like foot, feet, tooth, teeth, man, ox, oxen, etc. Also in your book, other words like goat, geese, omen, child, children, mouse, mice, etc. So dear students, now we know about rules of plural forms and singular noun, plural noun. Then we discuss about exercise 1. This is a picture. You see this picture. Shreyas is enjoying Adesh's birthday. That means this is a birthday picture. This birthday boy name is Adish. Let's join him. हम लोग को इसमें ज्वाइन करना है कैसे? To know what he is doing, fill in the blanks with the plural forms of the words from the clue box. That means in the clue box there are some words. We should put these words in this paragraph with their plural form. Like there are so many children in the birthday. Child is singular form, but there are so many child, so we put children. But Shiv, Rudra, Rupika, Ayushi and Om are carrying dash in their hands, carrying gifts. Adish's mother is giving dash to everyone. There are so many sweets, so we put sweets to everyone. There are 2 desks in the room. There are 2 pianos. Dear students, piano spelling Piano. We already say if the word end with O sound we put yes, but in some words special rules. So in piano Piano we put S. So pianos Pianos. In the room, Adish's father is playing the black piano. Arpita is playing with colorful piano. There are 7 days on the cake. There are 7 candles on the cake. That is because Adi has turned 7 today. That means Adi is 7 years old. Adi is going to cut the cake with a knife. There are 2 days kept on the table. There are 2 knives. Knife end with FE sound, so instead of FE we put VES, knives. Adi's sister is now serving juice in 5 days placed on a tray. 5 glasses of juice. And next exercise 2. Add S or ES to change the singular nouns to their plural forms. We know in which words we put ES? X, S, Z, SH, CH. So 1 toffee, 4 toffees. 1 doll, many dolls. 1 fox, 3 foxes, because X is the last letter of this word. So we put ES. 1 bat, 6 bats. 1 video game, 2 video games. And next, complete the following sentence with the help of the clue box. Like in this box there are some clues. We fill in the blanks using these words. Like the plural of an ox is oxen. Ox is oxen. And the plural of a fox is foxes. The plural of a mouse is mice, and the plural of a house is houses. The plural of a foot is feet, and the plural of a boot is boots. The plural of a van is vans, and the plural of a man is men, MEN. The plural of a Joe is George, and the plural of a show is shows. And next, you observe this picture and underline the noun and write their plural forms. Like the boy is flying a kite. Boy is noun and kite is noun. So we put boy, BOYS, boys, kites, KITES. A cat is standing under a tree. Cat and tree both are nouns. So we put cats and trees. A bird is flying over a mouse. Bird and house both are noun. In the plural form, bird, birds, house, houses. A dog is standing near a bush. Dog, noun, and bush, or dog, dogs, bush, rubber, bushes. And exercise 5. Sony is on her own way to school. This girl want to go to their school, but he forgotten his way. So you help to reach their house, to reach their school. This is your homework for you. You can find the way to the school. And now I write there are 10 nouns. I write all the nouns name and their plural form. So dear students, last we know about one rule of plural forms. Like some nouns ending in F or if we put like, and some words ends with Y. Some words ends with Y, like body, BODY. In plural form we write bodies, BODIES. when the word is end with y, but before y there is a consonant letter. Before y there is a consonant letter. Then we put instead of y, is. If there is boy, this word end with y, but before y there is a vowel. So in plural form we put boys. Like copy, copy, end with y, before y there is a consonant word letter, so we put in plural form copies. Like city, cities, etc. So dear students, this is the topic of chapter 3, singular and plural noun. Also I give some homework for you. You do in your English grammar copy and practice yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.